Hello everybody. This video is going to be a little different. Merry Christmas. We're hanging out with our buddies out here on Main Street here in Grand Junction, Colorado. And we're going to do a little cruising, a little hanging out. I brought Kaylee along. She's going to do some filming for me. We'll see how she does. She doesn't like doing it. She'll try. All right. So thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you and Merry Christmas. Festive. That's awesome. Hey, how you guys doing?
Well, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Everyone out there, just have fun. Say hi to your neighbor. And don't be approached by your neighbor.
Oh, look at that trim. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, this is set up a lot like my S10. Yeah, my radiator's in the bed too. Santa's got a cool truck. That's awesome.
Santa!
Merry Christmas.
Oh yeah! Oh no! I got that on camera.
Hector has me out here helping him film. I fell
She's
on
doing good.
that thing, climbing up that.
She fell in front of everybody.
Fell right in the middle of Main Street. So, if anyone wants to know how this cruise is going, not cruising, we're walking and falling. So, Merry Christmas.
was on the Facebook and I seen a post that there's a little kid selling cocoa for Christmas money, and he likes cars. So it's raining real hard right now. It's really cold, and the 55 is on slicks, as you guys know, and the windshield wipers aren't working right now. So we figure it'd be probably better if we didn't drive the 55, not just for our safety, but for everybody else's safety on the road. But we're still gonna go hang out with that little kid for a little bit, give him some money, and get some cocoa. I think it's gonna be awesome. So here we go. I've seen your post on Facebook.
Oh.
So you guys all can have a sticker.
Thank you.
Here, take a couple of them. And then I'd like to buy some cocoa. We were gonna bring the race car, but probably not a good idea.
Oh, it's all right. Oh, man.
We thought about it. We thought about it. We both looked around.
Hard about it, but I mean,
like,
How many cups do you guys want? Two?
just two is fine.
Alright.
Take a picture. That's so awesome.
I thought it was really cool when I seen that post. I was like, we got to do something.
something about it.
If it wasn't raining, we would have brought a bunch of cars.
We're ASAP Auto. I work at ASAP.
Okay, I'm Hector. Appreciate it.
Yeah. I'm friends with Steven Umberger and all them.
Okay, yeah, that's a good friend of mine. Really good friend of mine.
Just two. Alrighty.
Yeah, Steven's a really good friend of mine. Been a friend of mine for over 20 years.
Michael Vincent Antoni. Antonetti or whatever. Yeah, he's a good friend of mine.
That's cool, man. That's really cool.
Here, I'll go refill you.
There's another one over there.
I gotta go refill.
That's okay. Here's.
So unfortunately right here, our video got put into hyperspeed. So right here we slowed it down so it looks a little funny. But basically I was just asking the kid what kind of car he wanted. He said he liked Dodge Demon. And Mopar guy said something about a Mustang. And so hopefully one day we'll see this kid cruising around in the future, keeping these old cars alive. Muscle cars, old cars, whatever you're into, pickup trucks. This is what it's all about, man. Support your local communities and support the kids that want to do cool stuff with cool cars. Thank you guys for watching. Merry Christmas. We'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.